Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. And today I am in the beautiful island of the Bahamas. Guys, it is amazing out here. I don't know if you've ever been to Bimini, but I am at the beautiful island of Bimini in the Bahamas. And I am with my Steeldive SD1953, which I'm going to go over again for you guys. It is a water resistant watch, waterproof up to 300 meters of water resistance on this thing, so I'm definitely not worried about it getting wet in any way. It's just a wonderful, wonderful watch, guys. But before I get started, as always, I just wanted to shout out to all of my current subscribers. Say thank you guys all so much for everything you do, all of your liking and subscribing, all of your thumbs up, all of your comments, just your general interaction with the channel always does help out. And if you are new to this channel, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you over to my channel, I would definitely appreciate you guys checking out Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to your footwear either. So without further ado, let's take a look at this watch that I have today. If you are a regular watcher of my channel, then you have seen that I've done the review on this watch before, but it is one of my favorite watches, and it's one of the 6 watches that I did choose for this weekend in the Bahamas, and it's probably my favorite watch. This is the Steeldive SD1953. Beautiful watch in turquoise, with the ceramic bezel. The outstanding illumination capabilities on this watch will really knock you off your feet. I mean, when you come in from the sunlight and you take a look at this watch, it literally glows in your hand. I mean, this is an amazing watch. You can see some of that illumination now, and we're in direct sunlight with a little bit of cloud cover, and just a really, really bright looking illuminated watch. This thing does have a look of a much higher end luxury watch brand. Will not mention the name of that brand, but if you know, you know. I think one of the best features of this watch is that reflective dial. It's got a really nice dial on it, which has that almost like a soda can effect where it's shiny and it shimmers. Really, really nice dial on this thing. It does have all of the bells and whistles, and a really, really, really nice price point on this thing. I will be posting an affiliate link to this in the description below, so you can head on over and check it out. And once again, I'm not sponsored by Steeldive in any way, but I do have an affiliate link to this item on Amazon, and that does send a couple of dollars over to me if you decide to purchase this watch, and that is very much appreciated. But you're not going to believe the price on this thing. You can actually pick this thing up on Amazon for less than 130 bucks. I think it might even be on sale, and you can pick it up for even less than that. But definitely head on over to Amazon and check it out. Not really sure what the exact price is on it, but it is a very affordable watch, and for that price you get a lot of features with this watch. The stainless steel bracelet actually has screw down pins, which is a really nice and easy way to adjust the size of this watch. The link removal is extremely easy. It does have a ceramic bezel for that price, also a sapphire crystal, and the Seiko NH35A movement. So this is a very, very well-spec'd watch for that price. Plus, not only 200 meters of water resistance, but 300 meters of water resistance. So this thing is very, very water resistant. So you don't have to worry about getting it wet at all in any way. And it's so affordable, you don't really need to worry about what happens to it. You can literally throw it in the sand. You don't have to worry about it. It's got all that extra scratch resistance on it, so you don't have to worry about any of that. It's not something that you really have to worry about too much, because it's such an affordable price range that you can just get another one if something happens to it. So once again, guys, this is the Steeldive SD1953 with the Seiko NH35A movement. Very, very nice watch with the milled stainless steel clasps. It's got the signature and the logo on the clasp itself. It also comes with the logo on the crown. It is a screw down crown. And like I said, sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel, stainless steel case. I believe it's 43 millimeter case. Very, very nice watch. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman. I'm currently on the island of Bimini in the beautiful Bahamas, enjoying my weekend. And I figured I would come out with this video for you guys and show you this watch in a beautiful island setting. So once again, the Steeldive SD1953. Hey, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you to my channel, definitely check out Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to your footwear either. So once again, until next time, I will see you guys all in the next watch review video, unless you're over on the other side. Then I will see you guys all in the next shoe review video. And if you have any questions about this watch or any other watches that you'd like to see on my channel, please be sure to post those in the comment section below, and I will definitely respond to comments. And I might even pick up the watch that you recommend, pick one of those up and do a review on it for you. So definitely thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you like the content and you want to see more videos. Until next time, I'm Dave the Watchman. I'll see you guys all in the next watch review video, unless you're on the other side. I'll see you guys all in the next shoe review video. Hopefully I can get you guys to subscribe to both channels. That would be totally awesome. So until next time, you guys all have a great weekend. I know I will. Have a good one.